But kadwa comment wach ma EU. Ingeni, I like the way you have practiced. Nikech ingeni jo siasa ma Kenya nyoso weyo gimone ogetem. Ingeni gima na paro monego wakony go Kenya koro. Ingeni sama we EU to koren about Kenya. It is no longer an individual party. Wadwa gagolo wodwa mondo dhi oger osumparo manyalo gero Kenya beyond this country and also to build Africa in a different way. To mani an opportunity manyocho with the other countries in the West kagibiro ni chance en maro majo East Africa. Politicians maturu osolo ke kagir siasa menyano akanga to the function ma very relevant to wo ku muoch gigima okonego wachi beleji. Instead mondo gitigu power magingo. Because I remember kaka na ngama notio James Orengo nene wang'iyo gu family ma Walter Sizulu, ne wan go siep in Rwanda, ne wan go siep in Uganda. I think ne magi gik monego be no explore. Mondo wanwang support ma Jakom nyalo yudo as opposed to the wagoyogi in public. Ma relevant, we have nothing, it's just about entertaining. Ingese mokwan maketha girwa wegi kaka juluo. Kekirangre gini koro nyochopo kama goro wa politics moro maonge tiende. I think ni Jakom has what it takes. And warang into office no other benefit wa manade in Africa. Gimone go warang ni ereka kwa the convince kaka President Machon ma Tanzania. He must know nuka nini koko ki Kenya kaini manencha man mayu. Manobiro kabo anyone mu negotiate kodwa. Ka presidency one wa believe in maro. Buja komodok ne pin boye boka prime minister. En bende nyako chiu that gesture now that is thinking nena candidate. To Jakom is a candidate. Koro when Jakom mondo bid AU. Mondo team TJ ma maybe now will bring Kenya back in another way. Guinea is not a question mar tribe majuluo. Kata ODM as a party. En mar Kenya and Africa and East Africa as a whole. My chance maju East and Central. Koro gimone gwarang players madwaga ukipinja mamokogi. How are we going to deal with them in a more another platform of friendship? Koro Jakom been negotiating, and we must know that this is a challenge because this is a gesture that has come from another region, not our own region. Koro wawe problems mwango mawango region kai. In kechikakwa elo dowa will also make those people read things differently. Gimina no kamakuro chopini, the intelligence world is now working. And ana neno ni magigin gik mabeyo nikech ODM ena party man ga very elaborate concept. One ngato kasali cause game obedo Minister for Foreign Affairs for so many years. Mage jomo ni gobinwa keti fold mar Jakom now to help us negotiate for us to get this seat. And then it will be a plus. Nikijane nonka jomoko wacho nu President Mamaro Masani be nugu komoro kacha one be in the wadwaro. It is not wrong when two people can get a good seat. Manungi so no wanege chia makare. And if I look at penjo mi penjo ane no kamine agitate. Tingeni gimawi wa will ni we are a country of history. Mine we give will ni they didn't have IDs. President Moyo Temo bugi bero IDs. Beijing Moyo Terugi and they got their rights. To gikmodongi du to atemo karachiel. Kaini penj it is one exam. Kainango it is everything. But kocho pakora kato gidwa consideration. To Kenya so move, we cannot get these things at once. This is one thing manyako winjiri. Even though framers mag the constitution sechemoko bedo ga overreactive. Wairo police ji kwa wadwa idu gimoro. To kwa waga realities. Ingentie communities moko mamine no we bunge gi. They cannot talk in their community. To bunge kato giboyo no saidi. To kamagi ai monego kom vesi ya joka. Temo konya luwoye. Nikech belief majoka ngukuom cultural values mae jalo nywadwa wacho. Podi kodonjo bujo moko baye in a good way. You understand? Koro gimaduong eno nego wang'e ang'o miyo mine gidhi e competition to giyom. Iwinja. Nikech they also be gidhi ga dwaro kura. Ting'en kwa dwa decide gimoro katiba no wacho. Katiba nyalo wacho, but voting power tamore. And ultimately will tell you the general rule mar kura mar chopo chik en kura. And if you see the leadership mapping through that parliament, that's also negotiated. Magi wacho ni kopo ni ok wayudo mine moromo to kara nominations koro nyaka wami mine maber. So this one I think ni gin gik madwaro harmony. To wach mar kamedo wach mar goyo no economy. Economy wabunge ma Kenya wigi will, there is no Kenya Kwanza in parliament and there is no Azimio in parliament. One members of parliament. Kawachi economy member moro kelo as a basis. Members of parliament need to discuss it. It's no longer a Kenya Kwanza issue. Karaka Kenya Kwanza issue. Now we are more than 1 year. They have not solved it.
To bende mana igi mati muredi ni kejuwa ni koke ni Kenya Kwanza katazi biwana ukakwana ka pogore enya mana bende kipoge mana ka kanyo kweth mathoth ema bro carry the day.
National interest issues should not actually be having political party. A political party nyalo kelo motion.
Do you know kaka mara affordable housing chaote